Hello, one and all, and those of you who watched my last video on the Mobility Mapper app will know that my camera packed up, and so I've got to save up for another. In the meantime, this is being filmed on my phone, and I have a phone mount on the scooter at the moment, and what we're going to do is experiment a little bit. I'm going to go for a little run with you watching, and hopefully it's not going to be too wobbly or bouncy. Feel free to feedback. I will be getting a upgrading. Basically, I'm going to save up and get an Osmo Pocket 3 to replace the Osmo Pocket, which is basically died of old age. So that means that in the short term I may have to carry on using the phone. So this is just a short video trying that out and giving you an update on what's going on with me and the channel. So here we are on our way on our little jaunt. First test will be that the phone doesn't go flying off and crash into the scenery. It is so nice to be able to go out. I know many of you have said the same thing, and I do appreciate all the comments and all the support I get on this channel. It's brilliant. Because so many of you have agreed that the freedom and just the sheer marvel of being able to go places when you've been effectively kept prisoner at home. Hold on a second, just adjust my mirror. I think even I, when I was stuck at home, didn't really appreciate how much freedom this would give me. By the way, the squeak is still here. The engineer has not yet come out. I will be chasing them up, but summer holiday things seem to be happening, and I can't deny them that. As a fundamental human right, they have a right to some freedom too. So this is just a quick jaunt round the block, and yeah, I'm hoping you all got through the summer well, with no issues. Oh, someone deciding to park in a disabled bay there. I can't be arsed having that argument. His Mercedes is obviously important and takes to his disability. I can say that I'm a car journalist by nature and trade, and I've just submitted one feature for TKC magazine. I don't know when it'll go in, on a rather wonderful McLaren replica. So anyway, I hope the picture isn't too wobbly. It is, as I said, down to the fact that the Osmo Pocket that I used smoothed out all this footage, and I wanted to see how it came out. Also, I wanted to know if the mic does its job. Now, I do have some DJI micro radio mics, which didn't work with the Osmo, which is why I'm after an Osmo Pocket 3. But they do work on the phone, so that's a potential option now. It means I'm not tied to the scooter. Not that I'll be getting off and walking around, but you know. The other thing I'm thinking of getting is a DJI Neo 2. because the other thing that people have commented on, or a couple of comments, has been that you don't see the scooter, which is a bit difficult when I'm on the scooter. I don't have someone else filming for me at the moment. So that would allow me to provide that, and it picks up sound from the DJI micro mics. So that's basically the aim. I've got to raise about 500 for that. But the rate that the channel is growing, and you guys are fantastic. We have 1,700 hours of video watched within a year, which is actually within 3 months, because I've had this scooter just over 3 months, and all of that has come in that time. So I'm feeling pretty confident that at the rate of growth and the amount of support that you guys are giving me, I will reach 1,000 subscribers, and I will reach the 4,000 hours of watched video that is required to monetize the channel and get money from adverts. Very pretty lady. So, if you are enjoying my videos and enjoying this one, thank you very much. Then do give us a thumbs up. It really does help, as I've outlined. It really, really does help, and it doesn't cost you a beat. The thumbs up basically tells the algorithm that there's something here that people like us will find useful, helpful, or enjoyable, preferably all three. If you click on the bell, you are subscribed and you will join the growing band in my aim to get to 1,000 subscribers. And I will plough the money that I will achieve from that into, first of all, the cameras that I need to improve the quality of the output that you are watching. Excuse me, can I just go back? Sorry, I do apologise.
It's okay.
Thank you. Where was I? Yes. I will basically, first of all, invest in those 2 cameras, lots of SD cards. And the other thing that I need to invest in is more equipment. This scooter is too big to go on a train, according to Merseyrail. Yeah, I know. So, I need to get a scooter that not only is smaller, or a wheelchair. That is a decision I have to make. But I also need it to be able to go into the car. So, first of all, the cameras, and then I'll basically be buying more things to review, which again adds to the channel and hopefully is helpful to you. And the way I'll do it basically is I will look for products that are a little bit different and quite interesting in unusual places as well, and I will report on my findings. So it's entirely up to you guys. If somebody feels incredibly helpful and generous and wants to really help, of course I post all the videos both from this channel and all my other YouTube channels on my Patreon page, the details of which are in the description. Now, the beauty of that is that you get videos from several channels, including motoring, you get my model railway stuff and general model stuff, dioramas and so on, and also you get this, my disability channel. Yes, you can. I shall shortly be getting a t-shirt as well, and I'm looking forward to wearing that so that people who see me can find out about the channel. So, all your feedback is welcome. Do leave a comment. Hopefully I reply to most of them. I do try to. Thank you.
I did not see you.
What a nice chap. So, that's basically the news. Hopefully this isn't too ugly. And it isn't ruining your viewing pleasure. If it is, then any help, either by Patreon or by subscription, to achieve the goal of buying the new cameras, which will really come down to earnings from this channel, then any help is appreciated, greatly appreciated. And of course, the cameras will give us another feature, because many of you out there ask about cameras and what I recommend as an ex-TV producer, and I will be showing not only the cameras but how to use them and so on and so on, if I get a chance to buy. So, all I can ask you wonderful people to do is carry on doing what you're doing, which is continuing to watch, continuing to subscribe, which is wonderful, and I thank you all immensely for that. Right, I'm going to need to go against my own rules and go on the road for this section. Last week is going to have to be fixed. It's driving me nuts. It's just a very slightly binding brake. Which makes it suitably annoying. I do hate going on the road at 8 miles an hour because the closing speed of a car to me at 8 miles an hour is a lot more rapid than it was to me on a bicycle at 18 to 20 miles an hour. This house on the corner. When I went to school, I had to walk past this house, and they had a little low wall and a very excitable little dog. And it wasn't trying to bite you, it would lick you to death. It was so friendly, called Flossie. And I will never forget Flossie. We live on that corner. Oh, the memories. Many happy memories, and some not so happy. caught the scooter off guard a bit there. Right, so it has been a short video purely because I wanted to check out filming with the phone. What do you guys think? Leave your comments. Also, and importantly, coming up on the video, on the channel, we have passed the 3-month mark of me having this scooter. So I shall be doing a 3-month review on the scooter shortly. That's the next video probably that you'll see. And various other things. I've just realised I forgot to switch on the mobile mapper app. Never mind. Anyway, thank you for watching, and do take care. Like, subscribe, leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next one.